Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss the purpose of econometrics in this video. So please don't go by the definition. I know you might feel overwhelmed. So I'm going to explain it in a layman language कि econometrics में करते क्या है और क्यों पढ़ना है econometrics. So आप देख सकते हो कि यूजुअली क्या होता है कि अगर आपको किसी का भी रिलेशनशिप स्टैब्लिश करना होता है तो एक मैथमेटिकल मॉडल क्रिएट किया जाता है. For instance, I want to create a relationship between income and consumption. So income मेरा y है, consumption मेरा x है. मेरे को X is now I want to understand what is the relationship between my income and consumption. So for that, we create a mathematical model and then try to evaluate. So यहाँ पे ऐसे ही y is equal to alpha plus beta xi. This is my mathematical model. Now let's understand कि इसमें econometrics कहाँ से आता है and what is the use of econometrics. Now, for instance, if you want to understand the consumption pattern of people in अहमदाबाद, अब अहमदाबाद की तो पॉपुलेशन काफी बड़ी है तो हम तो सबको इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते. तो व्हाट विल आई डू? व्हाट आई विल डू इज दैट आई विल पिक अ सैंपल. सो मैं पॉपुलेशन से सैंपल पिक करूंगी एंड इस सैंपल में हम इकोनोमेट्रिक टूल्स अप्लाई करते हैं. So once we apply the econometric tools, we infer about the population. मतलब हमें tools apply करके पता चलता है कि ओके ये दोनों impacts हैं. So alpha hat and beta hat ये दोनों impact facts है. So this is how. Now with these alpha hat and beta hat, we try to infer about the entire population as alpha and beta. Now, if you look into the model, usually जो mathematical model होता है वो होता है yi is equal to alpha plus beta xi. But ये ui क्या है? So in econometrics, what we do, we also capture error term. ui is basically error term. Wait, sorry. Error term. So ये error term है जो captures the other important variable which is not included in the model. Because models में तो mathematical model में तो limitation होता है. Each and every variables cannot be introduced in a mathematical model. So what we do usually that हम ui error term introduce करते हैं. तो before conducting econometric analysis, we convert this mathematical model. ये जो mathematical model है उसको convert कर देते हैं into statistical one by adding this stochastic error term. And ये error term जो होता है, it captures the influence of other omitted variable. Now what we do, we will specify this model, okay? Then collect the sample and from the sample we will estimate कि इसका alpha hat और beta hat क्या होगा. And then we will infer about the population parameter alpha beta. So ये जो alpha hat and beta hat है इसको हम कह सकते हैं sample statistics. Means these are sample counterparts of population parameter. So हम sample में econometric tools लगाते हैं and in alpha hat और beta hat हमें पता चलता है. And then हम इसी को यूज करके एज अ बेसिस वी इन्फर अल्फा बीटा अबाउट द एंटायर पॉपुलेशन, राइट? सो आई हैव written this in my language. My handwriting is not good. Now let's come to the main topic. What is the purpose? So our purpose is clear, right? The first purpose is to draw inferences about the population parameter. तो हमने inferences निकाल लिया कि alpha hat beta hat से we are able to infer about the population parameter. Second, estimate the causal relationship between dependent and independent variable. Now यहाँ पे it's the role of researcher to identify which is the dependent variable and which is the independent variable, right? The researcher has to specify it, and once it is specified, we can estimate the causal relationship between dependent and independent variable. And third is forecasting. Forecasting in the sense कि जब estimation हो गया sample से, so for instance we know यहाँ पे question है, let me go back. Now how do I forecast? Now यहाँ पे इक्वेशन है कि yi alpha beta alpha hat and beta hat मैंने find out कर लिया कि alpha hat is 0.5, beta hat is 0.75. So now I am able to infer, estimate and forecast. So मुझे forecasting में भी help कर रहा है. So these are the three main purpose of econometrics. We'll study more in detail, and that's it for today. Bye bye. I hope you learned.